Good morning, children. Uh, yeah, welcome to the first class of sociology. I am Dr. Binu Thomas. I'll be teaching sociology for you. Now, the first chapter has three parts. Definition. First unit is introduction. There are three parts: definition of sociology, nature and scope of sociology, importance and application of sociology in nursing. So these are the three parts that you are going to learn in the first. Now, here you are going to learn about sociology. What is sociology? Sociology is the scientific study of human social behavior and its origins. So whatever we have, whatever behavior human beings do, and human beings' origin, development, what are the organizations that you have in the society, institutions, etc., all together form that study together is called sociology. It is a social science which uses various methods of empirical investigation and critical analysis. Now, if you have to find out about the society or social behavior or social interaction of the people, we have to, the researcher has to use various methods of empirical investigation and then analyze, that is very critically analyze, to develop a body of knowledge. Only then you can find out something, knowledge about human social actions, the social structures that we have, the family, the members of the family, the role of the family, etc., and their functions. As science have their own areas of study or fields of inquiry, science has their own areas of study or fields of inquiry, same as sociology has its own area or field of study. Now, let us learn about the definition of sociology by different sociologists. First of all, B.F. Calburton comments about sociology. Since sociology is an elastic science, you know what is an elastic? It stretches. It doesn't have any boundary. So it is like a elastic. So that is why it is called an elastic science. It is difficult to determine just whether its boundaries begin and where its boundaries begin and end. Where sociology becomes social psychology and social psychology becomes sociology. So human mind or human action is studied in sociology. So your mind can be um, uh, in a good mood just now, maybe half an hour your mind might change. So depending on that, the whole action, whole interaction will also change. So the society will have, so sociology can become social psychology, or social psychology can again become sociology. It is the human action or human interaction that is there. Or where economic theory becomes sociological doctrine. So we have learned about the different class, caste, etc. So class basically is economic theory. So it becomes social doctrine. So for people in a different class, they have their own sociological background or sociological life. Or biological theory becomes sociological theory. You must have learned about the race. So the biological theory, from which race you come from, which community you come, so you can make your own sociological theory, which is impossible to decide. So we can't say about sociology. It is an elastic science. Auguste Comte in 1838 used this term to describe a new way of looking at society. So Comte and other sociologists in 1832-38 used this term to describe a new way of looking at society. According to Auguste Comte, he gave a powerful impetus to the development of sociology. He gave a very important theory or very powerful impetus to the powerful impact onto the development of the sociology, an impetus which bore fruit. So because of this impact, it had some result or some fruit, that it bore some fruit in the later decades of 19th century. Auguste Comte is the founding father of sociology. He is the father of sociology, is considered father of sociology. It was because of his powerful impetus to the development of sociology that we have this uh, discipline. Father of sociology defines sociology as a science of social phenomena. So whatever process that takes place in the society because of social interaction or social behavior, that is he has found out. So subject to the natural and invariable laws, either because of the natural laws or any invariable new laws, the discovery of which is the object of investigation. So this discovery has been through an investigation. According to Max Weber, he defines sociology as a science which attempts the interpretative understanding of social action. So everybody is describing sociology as a part of, as a development of the society or the social interaction or the interpretative understanding. So the understanding of social action in order thereby to arrive at a causal explanation of its cause and effects. So because of the social action, you have an explanation for this cause and its effects. So you'll have some effect because of your interaction, social action. Now I have got two pictures here, Auguste Comte. So you should know when you're learning sociology, he is the father of sociology, and another very famous sociologist, Max Weber. Now another sociologist, Maurice Ginsburg, seems to be more satisfactory and comprehensive. He is also gave a definition for sociology. He defines sociology in the following way. In the broadest sense, sociology is the study of human interactions. He's also discussed sociology as the study of human interaction, interrelations, whatever relations you have between or among the people, their conditions, and because of those conditions, you have some consequences. So I will give 5, 6 slides every day for your class. Thank you.